بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Who are they? Where are they? What are they doing?
Postcards always spoil my holidays. Last summer I went to Italy. I visited museums and sat in public gardens. A friendly waiter taught me a few words of English. Then he lent me a book. I read a few lines, but I did not understand a word. Every day I thought about postcards. My holidays passed quickly, but I did not send any cards to my friends. On the last day I made a big decision. I got up early and bought 37 cards. I spent the whole day in my room, but I did not write a single card.
We use the past simple tense to talk about.
This is the basic past tense. We use it whenever we want to speak about the past and we don't have any special situation that means we should use the past perfect, present perfect or past continuous.
We use this tense with finished actions, states or habits in the past when we have a finished time word, yesterday, last month, at 4 o'clock, in 2020, etc.
I bought a new car yesterday.
She spent a lot of time in this school in 2018.
Ahmed got scholarship last week.
This tense is used for habitual actions in the past, often with always, never, or often.
In those days I always went to PC Hotel for lunch.
He cycled in every day and that soon made him fit.
I often taught mathematics in Namal University when I was in teaching.
We use it with finished actions, states or habits in the past that we have introduced with the present perfect or another tense. This is sometimes called details of news.
She has hurt her leg. She fell off a ladder when she was painting her bedroom.
They've been on holiday. They went to Naran and Swat.
I've lost the keys when I got off the Suzuki.
We use this tense to talk about things that are not real in the present or future. So we use it with the second conditional and after words like wish.
If I knew your name, I would tell you.
If she didn't have a headache, she would come to the party.
I would be happy if I had more money.
Would you attend his marriage if he invited you?
What would you buy if you won the lottery?
If I became Prime Minister, I would reduce the price of sugar and flour.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do not forget liking, sharing and subscribing British Institute. It is all for you. Allah Hafiz.